Guys, good day to you all. This is a Crypto Prophet. Click on that subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's head on straight into the charts of today. Alright guys, now I have spoken about the 14th of August being a pivot date for the whole crypto market and the stock exchange market as well. And this is actually playing out because from today we are going to have a pivot in the 1 week time frame. Okay, in the charts already is here, guys. So I need you all to be very careful because the 14th of August 2023 has just launched us into another phase, another important phase in the crypto space. And the markets would begin getting a decline from today. Now, I'm going to make another video at the end of the month and we're going to take a look at the charts and confirm exactly what I'm saying because the candlestick for the 1 week chart has already formed today. And towards the ending of the month, we would take a look back and you would see exactly what I said. And this is sure going to come to pass. And if you're watching this video, you're really privileged to get this kind of information because you're not going to find this information out there easily. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to be taking you through some charts that I would love us to look into. Very critical charts right now. Now this is the Nasdaq. This is the 1 week time frame for the Nasdaq, and you can see that already the Nasdaq has formed a top. Okay, and the candlestick for this week is yet to form. So we are waiting for the Nasdaq to form its candlestick that would determine the next direction of the market. So from the 14th of August and the 16th of August, 15th of August, 19th of August, 21st. Now, in fact, from the 14th of August upward, the market is going to be very turbulent, guys, because already Bitcoin seems to be in a very critical condition right now. Any professional who looks at Bitcoin right now, beginning from today, would know that it's experiencing certain issues around it because the charts are not looking very favorable towards BTC. So now let's take a look at the Nasdaq and see. This is the Nasdaq 1 week charts. Now if you observe, the RSI seems to be forming a level of support anytime it reaches this line in the Nasdaq. And the last time that this yellow line here or this orange line was at the top, that was way back in the year 2021. Okay, the month of September. And we see here right now that this orange line is getting to this, it's already at the top, guys, and this is about coming down. So this is signifying that the Nasdaq has had a top. Okay, a top has been formed for the Nasdaq. So guys, you need to be very careful from today, 14th August, because from 14th August upward, the market is going to have issues. Okay, so you need a professional to give you direction and actually tell you the next direction or how to navigate this kind of markets, guys. Let's take a look at the Dixie, the DXY. All right, guys, so now this is the DXY, and we can see here that the dollar, the candlestick that formed for this 14th of August is actually sitting on this white line. You see that? Look at it, guys. It's sitting on this white line in a very beautiful way. Look at this. It opened exactly on this white line. And I said this earlier, guys. I said that from the 14th of August, be very careful with the market. And we see here that the dollar has already opened the candlestick and is resting on top of this white line. Now, this is not a good sign, guys, because like I said earlier, the market is going to begin a decline. There will be turbulence starting from 14th of August. Now, I have called the precise dates that it is going to begin. And what even makes it very interesting is that you're not going to find this information out there. As a matter of fact, a whole lot of people that are trading right now, professionals and all, they just feel everything is okay. You know, they feel everything is okay, everything is fine. Oh yes, the BlackRock ETF is going to get approved, this and this and that. But we saw yesterday that the SEC boss, the former SEC boss, said the SEC is not yet ready to approve any Bitcoin ETF. And I said this earlier, and as a matter of fact, the announcement towards the ARC Bitcoin ETF application was delayed on Friday. And this was actually very bad news for the crypto space and for the bulls. So this actually makes everything very complicated, guys, because I said all these things earlier. I said I'm not seeing the Bitcoin ETF getting approved, so I do not see a reason why people should jubilate for now, because when that approval is going to come, we are still months away from that, and I don't think that the SEC is going to approve that Bitcoin ETF currently. Okay, and I said this, and that's exactly what's playing out, guys. So if we take a look at the 1 week chart right now for the Dixie has opened a candlestick on top of this white line. Check it out and see. Look at it, guys. Very beautiful candlestick opening on top of this white line, guys. So that is not going to be very good for the crypto space. Let's take a look at the 3 weeks charts and see. I would like us to get information out of this. Now, if you take a look at the 3 weeks chart, guys, you can see that the dollar has broken out of this white line. Okay, now this white line acted as an area of resistance here, and right now you see that the dollar has broken out of this white line. Okay, and if you also check the RSI, you would see that the RSI is at the verge of breaking out of this same region that has acted as a strong area of support for the dollar. So if the dollar breaks out of this region, guys, the crypto market is in trouble. And I'm telling you that the crypto market is in trouble. Okay, I've said it earlier and I'll still say it again, and everything is playing out, and I'm coming at a timely time to give you this information from this video. So these are the dates that I want you to watch out for, guys. From today, 14th of August, be very careful, watch out for the market. From August 14th into August 21st, the market is going to be turbulent. As a matter of fact, from the 14th of August upward, the market would begin getting turbulent. As the days come, you would see this play out, guys, except if it's not me, the crypto prophet, speaking. I've spoken a lot about the crypto market, and most of the majority of what I've said has come to pass. I called for the top of BTC. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and see the Bitcoin 3 weeks charts. Bitcoin index. Alright, so I called for the top of Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 70k, almost touching 70k, 69k. A whole lot of people were jubilating that, oh, BTC is heading to 100k and all that. Now, and I called for the top of Bitcoin because of this divergence, and this played out, and you saw BTC crash down. And I said it, that BTC was going to crash down to $15,000, and this is exactly what happened. And when it came down here, I said that I see BTC in a pressure cooker. Okay, it's about getting up, it's about exploding. That pressure cooker is about exploding. But I said that anything from $20,000, it's high volatility, and it's going to give us a fake rally, and this is exactly what played out, guys. We saw that BTC pumped above $20,000, went up, and I have called for the top again of the market. I've called for the top of BTC, and I said that this is the top. Okay, and this is exactly what has been playing out. We have been experiencing series of resistance here, and we see right now that this candlestick that has formed in the 3 weeks time frame is just having a little space, because this line has acted as an area of support, and I believe that this line is going to get broken, guys, in the days to come. Okay, it's going to get broken. So this is why I call for caution. Okay, whatever it is that you see, be very, very careful, because the market is getting set. As a matter of fact, it's not just getting set. Already the decline is in progress beginning from August 14th. It only takes one who is experienced to detect these, guys. Now, let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands. There's something very interesting here that seems to be taking place in the Bollinger Bands that a whole lot of people are not taking note of. As a matter of fact, that's why you need a professional to tell you this. Take a look at the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands, the Bitcoin charts. Now, if you take a look at the Bollinger Bands, guys, now, the Bollinger Bands seems to be having a contraction. Okay, this is the 3 weeks charts. Let's take a look at the 1 week charts. The 1 week charts of the Bollinger Bands is getting a squeeze. Okay? Take a look at this, guys. Very beautiful squeeze. Look at this. The squeeze has begun. And anytime there is a squeeze in the 1 week chart, it indicates that the market is about having volatility. And it's either going up or going down. But in this case, I'm telling you that we're going to experience some downside, guys, because the bands are having a squeeze, indicating that there's volatility coming. Let's take a look at the 12-day chart as well. You see that the 12-day chart, same thing, it's having a squeeze as well. The last time we had a squeeze, you saw that the market shoot up, and right now we seem to be having another squeeze as well. So this is why you need to be very careful. Let's also take a look at the 3 days charts. Now, if you take a look at the 3 days chart, guys, you would see that the 3 days chart is already having a squeeze in the Bollinger Bands. And this means a whole lot, guys. And there is something I want you all to take note of. I want to show you this, and so you can actually take note of it. Now, if you take a look at the Bollinger Bands and the 3 days chart, you would see that Bitcoin has fallen below the line, the middle line of the Bollinger Band. Okay, you can see that it fell below here. It tried breaking out of this line, had a rejection, still came back here. This same candlestick, same thing. And right now we are experiencing same thing here. The candlestick on the 3 days chart has formed below this line. This shows signs of weakness. Okay, so in my own opinion, guys, I do not see BTC breaking out of this particular price range. So this is why I call for caution. We have entered into August 14, guys, and my words are going to come to pass. Please do not joke with my words, because beginning from the 14th of August, whatever the crypto prophet tells you is going to give you money. Because as this happens, this is drawing us closer to the bull run. We have entered into the market bottom officially from the month of August. Dates 14th. I've called this for you, and I'm going to raise up millionaires. Going to raise up millionaires in the future. Okay? So if you follow my instructions, you will definitely benefit at the end of the day. I'm the crypto prophet. What I tell you would surely come to pass. No dispute. You can't argue, because it's sure gonna play out right before your eyes. And as I've said it, so will it happen, guys. So thank you very much, everyone, as we await for the reaction and as we await for the stock exchange markets to open. Remember my words, tread with caution. Do not trade without direction. Follow a professional who really understands the market situation and can tell you exactly what is happening. I have said it, and so shall it be. Thank you, guys. I wish you all the best from the Crypto Prophets.